Kani kedai bati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni melawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Kini kita jing pentip kibai day bot COVID-19. Mentah kasni tarik bunai September 2020. Kes kibat thamai mengiyo mentah kasni gilong sanfu frah. Nakini kini napo East Garo Hills, Sal na East Jainta Hills, South Sun napo East Khasi Hills, Sun napo Ribhoi, Iway napo Southwest Garo Hills, but ini day napo Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Iway day napo West Jainta Hills. Kies baro kibalong active hadu mentakasi kelum lang kilong Hajar South Kinyo. But nakini Hajar South pa New Huawei kidan napo East Khasi Hills. But Shispa from New kiday napo ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. Hajar Aspa from South kiday na kiway. West Khasi Hills Khadlai. Southwest Khasi Hills Nreu. Ribhoi Shispa Lai Nreu. Safu kiday napo ki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. But Kandai South kiday na kiway. West Jainta Hills Kandai, East Jainta Hills Aspa New Fusao, West Garo Hills Shispa New, but nakini Sanfu San kide niki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Sanfu kide niki way. Southwest Garo Hills Khatsan, South Garo Hills Nreu, East Garo Hills Nreu, North Garo Hills South. Kes ki wala recover mentakasi kilong Shispa New Kandai. Pada kini East Garo Hills Iway, East Jainta Hills Lai, East Khasi Hills Shispa South Huawei. Pada kini Sanfu Fra kidai naki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Prafulai kidai naki Huawei. West Garo Hills Arfu Khadway kidai naki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. Khadway kidai naki way. Ribhoi Pra, South Garo Hills but West Jainta Hills Idon iway bakhlat bangi kentiu mentakasi bangi ladap ai dot ya ki jing pentip menen janmet but baru ki bakhlat mentaki long life Pra. But kiba la recover dot baru hadu mentakasi kelum lang kilong Hajar News pa Nreu. Ki sampel ki bangi fates hadu baje menski mentak singi gilong Shilak Life San Hajar Sanspa New Huawei. But ki test negative gilong Shilak Life Hajar Thandai Nreu. Ki test ki bangi dang up ya ki report hadu baje menski mentak singi gilong Kumba Ndrispa South Ndrispa Prap South But ki breu ki barung Sapo kejela kejongi hadu baje menski mentak singi gilong Life Kandai Hajar Aspa Prapo. Shaban push kiway. Before I go to the break-up, I would just like to inform all the members present here that this format, with regard to the samples, number of samples testing being sent for testing, we will not give any more the total number of samples which we have sent for testing, the total, because it creates a lot of confusion with regard to the number of samples awaited. Nginum ai shu yakiniki na ki sample ki bangi ai total kanu teli ki sample bangi apa but nginum ai shu kanu teli ki test bangi dang api ki result nama kani ka penwara ai ka jing keluar jing mut bat ka wara adu ka jing lam bakla ya ki babon menta ka format ka bathmai ka nongin ai bet kanu ki test negative but manu barung sapo ka jela ka jongi man kasing mo ngin ai mit tangkata nginum ai shu ki sample bangi test bat ki results ki bagi dang up ya ki reports mo ke break up jong ki san pu kali ki case ki bangi yo thmai ki long kum ni hapo East Khas Hills R ki ki high risk case, East Giant Hills South ki ki returnees, East Khas Hills South Fusan but nakini ki South Fusan way di na po ka Barapathar cluster, Khat R na Golf Link cluster, Khat San ki high risk contacts, way di na po Kitting Road cluster, South ki na po Laban cluster, Lai ki na Mauprem cluster, way di Norman Song cluster, way na po Police Bazaar cluster, Nriu na Penthor cluster, way na po Rilbong cluster. Ribhoy San ki high risk, Southwest Garo Hills way ki armed forces, paramilitary forces, but West Giant Hills way ide high risk case. Menang ila falum ya kini ki district wise distribution jong COVID-19 cases Meghalaya kumakalong manta. East Garo Hills baro ki case ki bangyo hadu manta po East Garo Hills kelong sispa kendai. Ki total active case ki bangidan hadu manta kelong Nreu ki bala cut dan ki bala recover sispa lai but mdan bakhlat apo East Garo Hills. East Giant Hills, Laispa Arfufra, total confirmed case bangyo. But na kini kibadang nong active hadu menta kilong aspa anyo pusau. Kibala kot bala discharge kilong san pusau. Mdan baklat hang po kani ke district. East Khas Hills, Lai Hajar Sispa Khatlai ki total confirmed cases. Ki total active case ke bangidan menta kilong 6,000 Southpa new puai. But ki bangila discharge ki bala kot dan ki bala recover kilong 6,000 ruspa new. But ki bakhlat for East Khas Hills kilong life san. North Garo Hills life are case ki balong confirm hadu menta sao ki barang long active arfu fra ki dei ki bala recover but ndan bakhlat hapo kani ke district ribhoy barkhot ki case ki don laispa andre fu fra ki bangyo positive ki barang long active ki long sispa life andre but ki bala recover lening ila discharge ki long arspa life a hang neru umdan bakhlat South Garo Hills paro ki confirm case ki ni yo ki long life new ki total active ki badan menta hadu menta kasni ki long real but ki bala recover la ning la discharge ki long life way but hang neru umdan bakhlat manunganoru Southwest Garo Hills baro ki balong positive ki long life new ki balong active na ki life new ki long Khatsan R4R ki dei mangela discharge but ndan bakhlat hang ne po district Southwest Khas Hills ki don tang phra ki bra confirm ki dei ki COVID-19 Nriu ki dei ki badang dong active menta but R ki dei ki bangela discharge but ndan bakhlat hang ne ka district West Garo Hills Nriu spa san sulai ki ber test positive barok lumlang bana kini sispa nyo kidang long active sanspa sa kusau kidai ki bala recover R kidai ki bala khlat no West Giant Hills South R barok bangyo ki bala positive thandai ki bala long active menta life kidai ki bala kot dan ki bala recover but ndan bakhlat po kani ke district West Giant Hills mende ke tu kau sini apa West Giant Hills West Khas Hills Ndri Fusau Khatlai kidai nrifsau kidai total active or ki total positive case ni yo khatlai ki barang long active sanpho kidai ki bala recover but ngila discharge but iway iwa khlap